Here we are in Holyoke, Massachusetts on Central Park Drive, and we're looking at a double home lot which is done into one Olmsted design, and this was done in 1926. Now, this house is from 1930, so once the design was done, this gorgeous colonial house was put in place here. But it's not the best part of the design. The best part of the design they left for another house. So this house is gorgeous, but the really spectacular Olmsted design is another part of the double lot. Now, the great thing about this stop is it's got two very good features. And that second feature is we're now going to pan up and over, and we're going to look at where the start of the 1922 Mount Tom golf course was, because the hole number one teed off right at the top of that hill, and it lasted in that position, hole number one, until 1956, when they had to move it about 80 feet to the north because the clubhouse moved up to the top of that hill from the bottom of the hill. So they tried to accommodate the golfers, and so that hill we're going to be up there for another stop soon. Now, if you look towards the north, there's a beautiful yellow house. That is the second home of the double lot, and that home is the one with a better Olmsted design is. And this house is from the 1940s, early 1940s. So it came much later after this one that we just saw from 1930 itself. Now, the Olmsted design again on the street was 1926. We're in the Wyckoff Park neighborhood, and this neighborhood was made by Olmsted designed streets, and so all these homes are gorgeous, and they're all at different angles and different setbacks for a good reason. So we're going to go up to closer to the real designing. Okay, so we walked up to the opposite side, the northern side of the house, and you can see it's a very beautiful ledge in the rocks there. It's contoured all the way up in step fashion, and you got this rock in the front. So it's a gorgeous lamp, and this matches the Olmsted design from 1926. And so this house came much later, after someone in that first house sold off the double lot to this person to make the second house, but the gorgeous Olmsted design was left behind. And I think that's why the design is so close to the house itself. It shouldn't have been, but it's still very beautiful. Thank you for coming to the stop.